Camp 26 here, just Bears and Hobbies. And we've got Colonel Straker and Lieutenant Ellis here. I'm going to put them together. I hope you enjoy my channel, guys and girls. I hope the glue is going to cooperate. And it looks like it's not, so we may have to open a new container of glue. So let's see. Yeah, this one's shot. Hang on, guys. Got one right here. So let's see if that's gonna. Yeah, that's good. Put a little glue in there. And we gotta find her right leg. It's this one right here. She's a big model, let me tell you. Very big. And she's in the skirt dress. She's not in her jumpsuit. I used to watch this show all the time. Love the show. I think it was British made. I really do. I don't know if it was anything but British made. Put the other leg on. Could have been an American studio, I don't know. The print came out very nice, by the way. Came out very nice. Lay it down there like that. I'll put a little. This is a well-done glue, number 16. You can also use goop, but I find the well-done it's a little bit priced better. It's not as expensive as goop. Goop is a good product though, very good. Not putting it down, it's just, this is what I can afford, you know. Gotta hold it together until it sticks. Okay, let's lay it down gently. Let's get some of these other ones over here. We got some support over here we have to take off. Let's see if we can get that off. Pull it off here. It's her other arm. That's part of him. Part of him. Any lines of demarcation as far as the seam, we're gonna putty over. I've got some putty over here. That is it's by Lytics, I believe, and it works very well. You got a big container for the price. I'll pull it out in a minute and I'll show it to you. Put that right there. Let's see. Get that. I use gesso, and it's a putty. It's very good. Works very well. See that a little line here? See the line? Gotta get the clippers out here. Just get a little piece off here. And there. Oh, sorry. Sorry I bumped the camera, guys. putting the glue like right there. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. And if you share my videos, it'd be greatly appreciated. Just got to hold it on there for a few seconds, guys. Okay, so she's done. So, well, I knew that was going to happen. Let's put her up like this. We might have to take a little bit off on the bottom here. Still have to cut a little bit more off. Well, that's better. Not too good. Not too good. Keep losing her head. Like I said, she's a big model. Let's see if I can get the camera up like that. She's a big model. I got a big base for both of these models. They had a really cool introduction to this sitcom, you know, of UFO. Music was good, and the action was really cool. We're gonna make a mobile unit too. We made the Interceptor already, and we made Sky 1, which is the submarine. Just gotta hold her for a few minutes. See, she wants to come apart. If I had a big cup I could put her in, that would work. Let's see if I can lean her up against this. There we go. Okay, so we can start on the other model. Sorry about that, guys. I know your time is precious, but I appreciate you being here. We're just getting some stuff off on the bottom here of this model, because they have to fit together. Those two pieces go together. I'm going to have to use putty to put them on the base. I got a huge base here, and I think I'm going to be. I was going to think about using separate pedestals, but I think I'll use the big base. You know. kind of do double duty here. Holding the waist and holding the arm on. This was the actor Ed Bishop, and I forget who played Lieutenant Gray. I have her name. I forget what her name is, the actress. Darn. Trying to rush things here. We're going to take just the bottom off of this, if we can, like that. It's okay. And the glue's acting up again. And we got to do one of these things. Open up the glue. Put his head on. Let me know in the comments if you're a UFO fan. If you watch the episodes of UFO. Got his shoes right here. Kind of just wore loafers, you know. For shoes. Yeah, see this glue, notorious for sealing itself. Notorious. There. Make sure they're flat, you know. There's a piece in here of support material. Get that out of there. Throw that away. That. Let's cap the glue off for now. Put it over there. Like that. And let's see if we can lift him up. There he is. So I'm going to take the camera off the base here. There he is, guys. Colonel Straker. Lieutenant Gray. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, give a thumbs up. And you'll be seeing these painted in a future video. Bye for now.